my hair sitting right? Let's go. That was quick. That was quick. Let's bring her back up before that car comes. Didn't let her go as long, but let's bring her back. Woo! Woo! She went straight. I didn't want to get on the throttle too quick, but wow. Not expecting. Well, let's see. Let's just be hypothetical about this. It might be a PB, it might not be a PB, so let's see. Everything went well. Car went straight. If it isn't a PB, sure, it's grand. If it is a PB, I'll be content. Very content. I took the opportunity because the traffic was sort of clear. I haven't got my charger with me, so I can't do another run. Silly idiot. Let's see what we're gonna get. Stop. Start. 152 again. Okay. 152. Would I have nipped more if I held it longer? What is it? 3,419. Probably not. I think that's me topped out. Oh, I definitely expected more. Still a good number. 152 again. I wanted more. I'm not going to be able to get more tonight because I didn't bring my charger with me. Like a balloon. So there you go. All the damage has been sorted out. Oh, around there. And then race you. Okay. What's different? We have the, you probably can't even see it, can we? The Raz Shifrin drive shafts, carbon drive shafts. There. We'll come right this way and have a look at it. It's probably easier to be truthful. There, you can see it better there. 0 degrees hinge pin, but the carbon fibre drive shafts is what I'm running different today. Very nice. Definitely helps the motor go. I don't know really what else to say about them. I'm running the same setup that I was before, so we'll keep testing, see if we can nip an extra bit out of it. We'll go from there. So where are we? Raz Shifrin drive shafts, lovely. Well engineered, good bit of kit. Definitely, I would like to say improves the motor. It's hard to tell. At least I nipped another 152 mile an hour, so it hasn't given me any more mile an hour, but I haven't lost anything, so I'm happy with that. Car did sound different with them. It was 152 mile an hour, nothing to shake your head about, nothing to be ashamed of, especially with a Castle 1717. So I'm happy to leave it at that. I may try a couple more times to see if I can get a wee bit more, but ultimately I think with my setup and my batteries, 152 might be the best I can do. So